Good morning, student. Yesterday I saw part B questions. Today we are going to part C question. 20th. Bring out the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Success in entrepreneurship isn't just about before idea or your money. Plenty of people have interesting ideas or a lot of cash to throw around and they never quite manage to find success in their ventures. If you want to be an entrepreneur, take a step back and evaluate whether or not you have the following characteristics. First one, self motivation. One of the most important traits of entrepreneurs is self motivation. Second, understand what you offer. As an entrepreneur, you need to know what you offer and how it fits into the market. Third one, take risk. Successful entrepreneurs know that sometimes it's important to take risk. Playing it safe almost never leads to success as a business owner. Next, undertaking. Fourth one, know how to network. Knowing how to network is an important part of entrepreneurship. Sometimes who you know is an important part of success. Being able to connect with others and recognize partnership opportunities can take you a long way as a business owner. Fifth one, basic money management skills and knowledge. We often think of successful entrepreneurs as big picture people who don't worry so much about managing the day to day. Sixth one, flexibility. To a certain degree, you need to be flexible as an entrepreneur. Next 21 questions. Describe the promotional activities of IFCI. Promotional activities of IFCI. Industrial Finance Corporation of India undertakes various promotional activities financed out of its behaviors. Resources fund the following promotional activities. First one, entrepreneurial guidance by IFCI. The IFCI has set up of its office to various centers in the country which are fully equipped to give necessary guidance to the entrepreneurs in the matter of preparations of the applications and their submissions. Second one, technical consultancy. Organizations sponsored by IFCI, the TCO provides guides and advice to new entrepreneurs during the various phases of the project cycles, namely projects identifications, project formations, implementations, etc. Fourth one, technical assistance scheme of IFCI. The corporations and its own introduced 4 new promotional schemes in the year 1978 to encourage small entrepreneurs, to promote small and auxiliary units in 1982.